Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool Amazon here, and basically what this is a case that's used for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. And you can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for the one that we got right here it's called a Gemshell. And you can see in the front right here they do provide us some specs and features about the product. So they mention how the product does have 8 feet of drop protection. It has a microblend material to give you guys that protection from germs and etc. And they mention when you guys do the case, then it is a clear design case. It shouldn't get yellow over time. So this is what the product looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like. So once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So it's literally like an all clear design case. But when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material. It doesn't feel like a cheap case compared to a lot of cases out there in the market today. So this is what the case looks like from the back. Here is the side. Here is the other side. Here is the bottom. And here is the inside. So first thing I should put on my phone to show you guys what the product looks like. So let's do clip it on. Once you guys do put it on, this is what the case looks like. So definitely see how it is a clear design case because you can definitely see like the Apple logo in the back. But right here, we do have the opening for the lens. And when you guys look really carefully on here, it's lifted up just a little bit to give you guys that protection for your lens. Same thing for the front part of your case as well. And we see right here in the front. Like I mentioned for the case, if you can see from the side, it's actually very slim. It's not thick at all, which is pretty cool. And the way how they designed the case, it definitely gives you guys that double layer design to give you guys even more protection when you guys do use it. Like when you guys look at the corner of the case, you can definitely see that extra protection that's built in. So that way when you guys do drop it, especially for the corners, it will give you guys that protection. In terms of the color that we do have right here is a glass navy color. They do have it available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which you prefer. And also if you guys notice for the back part right here, you can definitely do the wire charging. But if you guys want to use a MagSafe wireless charging, it will not work because it's not compatible. If you see the back part right here. So when you do try to stick it on back, it won't stay on. But I believe for this brand, they do have the MagSafe compatible case. So if you guys prefer that option, feel free to go check that out. But when you guys do feel the case on your hand, it actually feels pretty nice. It does give you guys a very good grip. So that way when you guys do use it, it won't fall as easy. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality clear case that can use for iPhone 14 Pro Max or any of the other phone as well. That also has that microblend technology to help you guys prevent germs from getting on the case. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.